Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by scaffolding the app and installing essentials. Pick TypeScript if you want stricter types. Once created, add a UI library and a charting package so components render consistently. Next, define a clear folder structure: components, pages, services, styles, hooks. Then build a base layout: header, sidebar, content area. This first layout lets you visualize the dashboard grid immediately and make sure routes and a root app shell are wired before adding detailed widgets. You should wire API services and normalize responses so components stay simple. Once done, choose a state pattern. Context with use reducer or redux toolkit for complex dashboards. This makes caching and updates predictable. Then build reusable widgets: chart wrappers, data tables, KPI cards, and filter controls. Make components accept props for data and loading states. Also implement a responsive grid, so widgets rearrange on different screens, and add lazy loading for heavy charts to improve perceived performance. You finish by polishing interactions and ensuring accessibility and keyboard navigation are solid. Once that is done, add unit tests for hooks and components, and integration tests for login, filters, and data refresh flows. Optimize builds, code splitting, tree shaking, and environment configs for API endpoints. Then deploy via your CI/CD pipeline to a hosting provider. If widgets show blank data, check cores, environment variables, and network errors first, often a wrong API base.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.